Canceling public events and encouraging social distancing are some of the ways the city of Chattanooga is trying to prevent the spread of the coronavirus.
At a news conference today, Mayor Andy Berke declared a state of emergency for the city. Channel 3's Travis Cummings was there. He joins us now in the studio with what else the city has planned. Travis.
Calvin, Mayor Berke declared a state of emergency and put in place policies for the city itself and its citizens. He says he wants to be ready for anything that comes our way.
We have Ken Smith, Anthony Bird, Demetrius Coonrod, Darren Ledford, Erskine Oglesby.
Mayor Andy Berke among city leaders Friday morning to put Chattanooga and its people at ease.
We need to act to protect the health of our community and then make sure that we deal with the problems that we see in an appropriate manner.
In an effort to promote social distancing during the continued spread of coronavirus, Mayor Berke suspended all public access and activities to places like family development centers and libraries. Some of the most popular venues across the city, like the Tivoli, are closed, canceling concerts and events that would bring groups of people together.
The NBA's closed. The NCAA tournament's not happening. Disneyland is closed. We got to understand this is the current environment, and hopefully it gets better as quickly as possible.
Berke also suspended event permits for such gatherings.
If the number one response that we know works is to de-densify areas in our city, then we're not going to grant permits.
The city is also putting social distancing in practice during its own daily operations. Berke says for the people at the bottom of the socioeconomic spectrum, that may not be ideal.
We recognize that there are other implications to this, so how do we, now that we've made these decisions, how do we continue to deal with the other issues that people are facing?
He says all of these changes will allow the city to continue running.
Nothing that I said here today means that we're closing up shop and going home. In fact, what we understand is we have to continue to serve people just with different limitations.
Several of the events that were scheduled in Chattanooga-owned event spaces say they hope to reschedule. The city says it will monitor the situation daily in conversations with the county, state, and subject matter experts at Johns Hopkins and Human Services. Now, as far as when it will pull back social distancing, they do not have a date at this time. For now, reporting in the studio tonight, Travis Cummings, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.